You are in for a treat today.
Yes, you are.
As you can tell, the custom curb appeal behind us, fresh paint, so beautiful. I love the color. We've got white boxed in eaves. We've got solar panels that are completely paid for, a Tesla charger, an oasis backyard with a phenomenal pool. Inside, you've got this gorgeous kitchen, tons of storage, 3 bedrooms, completely remodeled bathrooms.
Yep.
There's 2 of them, including an ensuite primary, and you've got the best neighbors in the whole wide world. Come check out our neighbor's house.
Come on in.
Here we are in this spacious kitchen with a ton of counter space for prepping and entertaining. We've got the white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. We even have a dry bar and an amazing wine fridge. This place is just awesome. Here we are in the gorgeous family room addition. We've got the high vaulted ceilings, fireplace number 2 that I just envision hosting family gatherings, Christmas tree in the corner. It is such an amazing space that leads out to the gorgeous backyard. So you've seen the inside of this gorgeous home, and this much attention to detail is very rarely found in West Garden Grove. Here we are in front of the fire pit, enjoying each other's company and admiring the smooth stucco back wall. You've got the upgraded vinyl topper, which matches the 2 vinyl gates, and that pool. The beautiful, gorgeous pool is ready to take a swim, enjoy the summer. We've got a hot tub that you can enjoy year round. This is an amazing place for entertaining family and friends. If you'd like your own personal tour, which they do,
Give us a call today. Our contact information is below. And remember, if you like videos like this and want to see more, please give us a like.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.